Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and today I'm gonna share a piece of software that obviously it's cross platform but offline. It's not a cloud thingy. Okay, not a cloud platform at like a cloud sync or anything like that. And actually I have known this software for a really long time now because like as long as I can remember, I have first discovered it in 2019 maybe, like yeah, 2019, 2000, yeah, before 2019 actually, 2018, 2019. This is a storyboarder software, and if you don't know about storyboarder is basically like whenever you make a film, or like this is a pre-production part. Whenever you make a film, or maybe you are sketching out your video or whatever you are doing, you make a storyboard first. Okay, that have that scenes like a comic book strip. Okay, you describe all of those scenes, and in your production time you just follow those scenes, follow those camera angles, and do whatever stuff you want to do, right? This is basically a director's job to prepare it with an artist, including like by reading out those scripts and thing. Okay, so this is a storyboarding tool, and that time I was really fascinated with films, and like I wanted to work in this field and all. So that's why I was searching for some kind of software that will help me to make storyboards, and that will be free. Now here, this software, it was free back then as well because it's open source, but back then I didn't knew about it, that it is a open source software. And recently I have been like searching it again, so I found it out, and yeah, it's a really great software. So let's see what we have today. Okay, and give you a great overview of this fantastic piece of software that has like grown a lot now. Okay, so let's get started. So for today's video I have to share all of my screen, so yeah, here is the thing. So here is the piece of software, that is Storyboarder. Here you can get some of the quick links to learn about it more, and click on getting started to get started with this thing. Here you will get like a lot of guide about it, to be honest. Here they have like answered a whole lot of bunch of things. Okay, so we are not talking about that here. I have already created a text project. So what how you can start, you can open a new previous project, that is this, or like use it anywhere, like pick it from anywhere, or you can like create a new storyboard from here. And now you have option to choose from select a script and start with blank storybook. And here, this is really great thing that they are providing support for dot fountain or dot ftx, like this final draft profile, because those are two softwares that is really industry standard. Like most of the industry people use it. And like if you are clicking on a blank thing, like create from blank, you can choose from the all of the standardized format. Like you can see those are the most cinematic format you can get, and they have given you like little guide over here as well, like 2.3 ish through 39 ish to 1 is the widest, like what you would watch in a movie. 16 is to 9 is our modern world ratio, like youtubing and all. And 19 is to 16 is just the oriented, the converted format, not converted, just different orientation. And 4 is to 3 is like that old tv style. Okay, now I will not create another new one like from, okay, because I already have one. I will just select this one because this has nothing. There was some problem with CPU throttling last time, that's why it didn't show up properly. Okay, so totally not its issue, but obviously my device's issue. So you have like those are the basic tools that you have soft pencil, and you the shortcut is one for it. Okay, light pencil. You have then what, fill brush pen, yeah, like basic highlighter, pastel, darker pencil, marker, and what it is, note pen and eraser, obviously. So here is a basic concept of how you will create a frame by frame animation. Like, you can use it as a frame by frame animation software as well. That also works great in here, to be honest. Okay, that is also something you can do, but we are not doing that over here. A lot of things have been added over here in previous iterations that I haven't like have any knowledge about. Like, this whole section is newly added, and you can see you can completely edit this thing now. How great it is! You can like literally note down every possible aspect of making this thing. Like, this is going to be like a really great professional grade software now. Okay, so you have like show in folders. Okay, you have scene frame rate. Then you can merge layers and all. You can keep notes, you can keep audio notes as well. You can select clear like note down actions, dialogue, and duration of the scene. And basically you have a whole scene creator over here. Like, how great that is! You can select camera positions, persons, objects, lights, a whole lot of things. Like, I can't even imagine how much they have grown since then. And you can export this scene file as well, so that's also a great option. And like, this is like making a software inside another software. Okay, like, it has its own set of tools and great like interface, all of it. Okay, so I am not going deeper into the scene creator right now. Okay, like scene creator or short generator or whatever they have named it, short generator. So yeah, I will just close it as of now, and you can view it in viewer. Wow, great, great, great. To be honest, whatever. Yes, no problem. And wait, where is it? Okay, I lost the frame somehow. I don't know how. Yeah, now it's back. So we have 1A, 2A. We have boards. We have timeline of boards. Okay, that's great. We have this cursor to play and pause. No problem. Here we have, okay, exporting to multiple different options. We have navigation. In navigation we have a lot of things. Okay, in boards we have normal new boards and tools. In tools, those are the tools actually. Okay, that is also reflected over here. In view we have 3D guides. Seriously? Grid, yeah, grid is open now. Center grid, wow. Okay, rule of thirds. Rule of thirds is applicable. Oh yeah, I can see another line. Actually, here is one line that I can see over here, but not another line. Okay, this light paint is too much light, and why I'm not using a darker shade of color. Here is one line, another line I can't see. That's a rule of thirds around which I have to know that as well. Okay, not viewing rule of thirds. Actually, let me just turn off the grid, then I will understand. Yeah, it has rule of thirds for sure. Okay, it have rule of thirds parallelly and in one direction, not in this direction. I don't know why. How? Okay, turned on. This is onion skinning, most probably, right? Yeah, onion skinning. So you have the facility of onion skinning. That's great, really great. if you used animation software before, you will be knowing like what is onion scanning. So basically it gives you the reflection, or the like how onion skin works. Onion have multiple skin, multiple layers, okay. And in thinner skin, what you can do is you can see the next skin in front of the like current skin, okay. You can see the previous skin, okay. And for the next one it also happens like that. So what onion skinning feature does is it will let you pick through your post frame and pre frame, okay, to make it draw when you are drawing, to like make it consistent, make it a flawless animation. So that's how it works. And what is this? Captions. Wow, you have captions as well. Okay, whatever. We have 3D guides. That is also interesting. Onion skinning, toggle boards, yeah, blah blah blah, a lot of things. Actual survey control 0, okay. What else? Scale up, scale down, yeah. Toggle developer tools. This is made with Electron. Wow, great. Okay, whatever. So yeah, you can basically start drawing in this, obviously. Okay, I can seriously feel this is not bigger enough for me to work. The eraser is not big enough. So yeah, those are all of the guys that you can use easily. Wait, why? Okay, so let's try to draw something, or should we? Should I? I don't know. Okay, let's draw something. Here is a smiley face. Yeah, who is saying hello to you? Blah blah blah. So when you are in hurry, you do storyboarding like this. But when you are not in hurry, okay, you do storyboard like, wait, I'm showing you like this. Like this is the rule of thirds. Here will be your protagonist. It's a close-up shot, full close-up, I think, not mid close-up. So here is your protagonist who will like, who is looking into something. This mid down shot, and actually you sit down with director and like explain all of those things. Like director will explain all of those things while you are creating all of those scenes, and you may be creating a scene, yeah, blah blah blah, whatever. I don't know what is the industry condition right now about storyboarders, but this kind of software, if we can get this kind of software, those will make story browsing processes a lot more easier, first of all. And it has a lots of professional stuffs going on with it that I didn't even notice until using it for right now, because I have used it way ago in past, okay. And right now it has just grown a lot, okay. It has now like really new features that is mind blowing, to be honest, okay. So whatever I say about this, it wouldn't be enough, because obviously it's a vast, really vast program. I really like it, and supporting open source. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you can find something really great like this anywhere else, okay. I will obviously feature that. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. If you like this video and you like to see a really great piece of software like this, please like this video, like really give it a thumbs up, and maybe comment down below, share it with your friends, share it with your filmmaker friends, they will love it. And yeah, that's it, bye for now.